Hi there, once again. Have you encountered cab drivers who turn up at your doorstep looking unkempt and ungroomed? Why do you think this is so? One reason could be that they are not trained. But I've also seen drivers from cab companies turn up like that. Companies that claim the drivers are trained. I don't contest the fact that they are trained, they must be. But the fact that they appear ungroomed shows that they were not assessed properly in this area. The skill of driving a car is easily acquired. It's a hard skill and can be mastered with adequate practice. Similarly, these skills can also be assessed easily through a few practical assessments. However, what about the soft skills, such as professionalism and grooming? How do you train a person in these areas? And more important, how do you assess them in these areas? Presenting a professional demeanor and appearing well-groomed are habits, and habits are hard to change, even harder to acquire. They are cultivated over a period of time. You cannot teach it like you teach concepts, and you definitely should not assess it through a written test. Neither should you test it through a one-time observation, because at that time surely the student will put forth his best behavior. So how do you assess these habits? Well, the best way to assess it is by observing the student over a period of time and by reinforcing acceptable behaviors and penalizing unacceptable behaviors. In other words, training and assessing must happen simultaneously, and assessment should be an ongoing activity. So you see, when it comes to assessment, one size does not fit all. Some stuff can be assessed through a written test, others by observing the student performing the task, some by evaluating work products. In all these cases, you can deploy an assessment strategy at regular intervals. But when it comes to soft skills and behaviors that need to be cultivated, assessment must be an ongoing activity, even daily if necessary. That's all in this episode. Meet you soon with a new episode and a new topic. If you found the video useful, please do like, subscribe and share. Thank you.